Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to get battery level for your native macOS application. So here you can see I have a simple label and it is displaying how much battery level I have. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly I have created a native macOS project. I am using AppKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well, but everything I have done is done via programmatically. So first you will have to import iokit.ps. so this will help us to get the battery level, and here I have just created one label. I have added to our view. I have assigned some ns layout constraints to it, and here I am just calling get battery level method, which I have defined it at the bottom, and if it has value then I am just assigning it to our label, otherwise I'm just saying no value. And inside get battery level, firstly we have to use this iops copy power source info take return value. We get the info, then we have to use iops copy source list. We have to pass our info, again have to take return value as an array, then we just get the first item from that particular array. Then we have to use iops get power source description, pass our info, pass the source, the first item of the array, take the unretained value and convert it as a type of string colon any object. And here we just pass the description of k iops current capacity key as int, and whatever is the level of our battery it gives us back. In case if it is not able to, we just return nil. So yeah, that's how simple it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.